I have a project that I'm gonna do, and I just thought I would share with you. This is the state of things. As you can see, look at this. Look at this. Disaster. Disaster, I'm telling you. This is the state of the corner of one of the counters in my kitchen. This is where I keep my cat food and my dog food and dog treats and like a bunch of other things. And it is like disastrous. It looks terrible. So I'm going to work on that, and we're going to take a look and see if we can figure out how to organize this a little bit better so that it looks nice and so that it looks like, you know, I don't know, like a counter. Look, just look, everything everywhere. Cats, dogs, I mean, things that don't even belong here, like a cup. So let's see what we got. I bought a thing on Amazon, and I'm gonna try to put it together, and it's supposed to hold a cat food, and that will help. I have this really, really big thing that's holding cat food, and I don't want it to, I want to use it for something else. I've got other uses for this thing. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to see what I can do. We're going to see if I can get this thing put together. It's supposed to hold all this cat food, and then I can use this. This is a 2-gallon jar. And so I can use this 2-gallon jar to do something better than what it's doing right now. There's a box here that holds stuff, and then I've got the jar in the box, which is holding the same stuff that this box is holding. Like this, come on. All right, so I gotta go see if I can put that cat food thing together. I gotta see what I've got. I'm gonna pull all this off here. I'm gonna wash this counter down really good and see if I can't make this look a little more, you know, nice. I mean, these I'll keep. These other jars over here that hold cat food and dog food, that holds their dry food, that will stay. I'm gonna keep that, but y'all, I've been looking at this for way too long. And so let's see what we can do. I'll see you back here in a bit. I'm just gonna start by emptying all this stuff off. I'm gonna speed this up because who wants to watch me empty this counter off? And here we go. Are you helping? Oh, you need help. Need me help. Thanks. Jack, stop. So we have this all tidy. Look at all these little cat foods. It fits in here. Jack's food's up on top. His supplements that he has, and they're the dog food and the cat food, the kibble that they get every day. And then I took his treats, and I have a cupboard down here that has the dog bowls and the cat dishes. That's what they are. So all I did was, it's a pull-out drawer, and it has all of his treats in here. As you can see, this Jackie boy does not need treats for a long time. And I was able to put his Kongs and some of the other miscellaneous things in here. And this drawer just shuts like that. And we are done. And we have supervisors. See, aren't they great? That is Athena, my kitty cat, and Jack, supervising as always. All right, guys. Oh, that looks so much better. All organized again. Everything's got a place, and it doesn't look like, you know, a crazy mess over on my counter anymore. All tidied. Well, thanks for joining me, and I can link this cat food can thing, whatever, holder. I can link that below. I do want to let you know that with that cat food holder, Jack, I don't want you burning. You can take out some of these. So like if you have the wider cans, or if you want to use it, if you wanted to use it for dog food cans, they will fit in here as well. If you just take out these like middle ones, so you don't need to have all these little ones. But these foods are only like 3.5 ounces, I think. 3 ounces, 3 ounce cans. Whoops, 3 ounce cans of cat food. So easy peasy. They fit right in here really nice. They actually, you can pull them off the bottom and see if I pull one out, the next one falls in, and that one, I just put it back in there. Look at that, pretty nifty. So it came together really fast. It wasn't that hard to put together. There were a lot of pieces, and I was really worried about it, and I thought, oh boy, but it came together really fast, and so here we go. Thank you for joining me at the cookie drawer, and I hope that you will like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.